Welcome to MarineMax Kent Island. I'm Chris Whitman, and today it is my absolute pleasure to show you this 2026 Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly. She is the flagship of our Cruisers Yachts. I'm going to give you just a few reasons why. Start with the swim platform. All right. This is set for a Williams 345 jet tender. What you will see on pretty much every other boat is a couple of things different. One, when I put that tender up, it's going all the way up, so I don't have any room to get aside. Two, don't have stairs that follow it down along. All right. The reason the stairs matter is it's my own personal little beach, man. All right. So I can sit out here, sit down in the water. I've got enough room, even with this down, to walk right across because there is so much room back here. And I don't have to go inside if I need something. I've got a crew quarter here that has a wet head. It has a fridge. It has a bed. So this is all one self-contained area, and we haven't even gone on the boat yet. So this is, remember, one fridge. We are going to have a quiz at the end of this. Now that we're on the actual boat, we've got a lot more sun coverage. Back here in the cockpit, this is a huge, expansive area. Fits plenty of people, and I've got full shade back here as part of the actual hardtop. So I don't need a shade that could, something could go wrong. This is all built in. Huge expanse into the galley. We're not going inside yet because there's so much to see out here. So come on over to the port side because we are set up for entertaining. Watch your step. I did not put out the ropes, all right? I don't know about you, like a lot of kids our age, rode the back of pickup trucks, drank out of the garden hose. Think we'll be fine with the water down here, but I don't want you going overboard. So, wonderful bar set up here, right into the galley. Again, the whole thing flips up. There is dedicated storage for these. You're not just tossing them into a storage area. I'll show you that later. As we come up to the bow, I have an expansive, just nice and wide. There's not a lot of boats I'm willing to walk backwards on, but I've got single level, I've got room, I can grab on. So I don't want you to mess up, so feel free to turn up and meet me up here, but let's go check out the bow. So we were on the swim platform. That's one area to hang out. Then we've got the cockpit. That's another. We've got the sidebar. So that's three. Here's our fourth gathering area. Okay. These are reversible. So I can have them go in either direction. There are two tables that go there. So if I want to flip this up and sit together, or you'll see in the pictures, I can just lay out. It is set up to hang out in the evening as well. But during the day, there are 4 posts that go in and a static shade for the sun. So this is a complete, its own enclosed entertaining area, and let's make the most of it. So we're gonna come back down the other side, and let's go check out the rest of the boat. All right, well, we've been outside for a minute. Let's get a little bit of air conditioning. Now, right now, I said we've got it set up for entertaining, so I've got all 3 doors open, but this does fully enclose. We do have curtains for the evening time as well as shades for the sides moving forward. Easy galley to walk around in, easy galley to use. I've got a cooktop here, I've got a convection here, dishwasher here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The number one thing that I hear from people on a boat of this size, which again, this is the kind of square footage you're getting in over 60 feet, is, well, how much refrigeration do I have? Because we're going to be living on board this. We're going to be traveling with it. Storage and refrigeration, that's where you want your American-made boat from, because they understand how Americans boat and how we're going to, what our needs are for it. So this is a nice little lounging area here, dining and also lounging area up here as well. I'm not one that's terribly inclined to use it because I like these huge windows and this expansive view. But, if it's a World Cup game or some other sport, we want to watch TV, this does pop up right here. and everybody gets to hang out. So if we're underway, there's still plenty of room for people to be in and not leave you alone at the helm. Speaking of helm, we're at my favorite spot. All right. Huge Garmin glass cockpit. I get all of my information through here. I've got all of my switching through here. My Volvo is all through here. Everything is easy to get to. My controls are in the right place. She does have dynamic positioning system, and this one does have Volvo docking assist. So if the weather's not great, this is a great place to be driving from. But we're going to show you my other favorite spot before we finish the end of this video. I want to show you the accommodations because we're going to be spending the weekend on this. Cool. Come on down to the quarters. I want to show you this great atrium effect here. You do have a mirror to kind of expand it, but lots of natural light. Your third stateroom is for your extra guests. They do have side-by-side, which is unusual under 60 feet. They've got a nice big closet. Your master panel is in here as well. But for anybody that's, we had, all 3 staterooms being used, and everybody was perfectly comfortable. So when you're done with that, come on out and I will show you the VIP. So the VIP here, huge headroom, huge windows. For any of you that can understand this, that's dealt with this before, I can get all the way around and make the bed. All right, it's not shoved into a corner and right into the nose. And I'm standing up and I've still got a little bit of headroom here. But 2 big closets, hanging lockers on either side. All right, you've got your entertainment, your radio, and everything is in here. So everything is nice and concealed, keeps everything clean. And then I get to show you one of my favorite things. Again, there's a lot of them about Cruisers Yachts. So the VIP shares the day head. Cruisers Yachts makes their day head larger than the owner's one. All right, 2 reasons. 1, it's going to get a lot more use. 2, you just invited some really good friends on here. Don't you want them to go wow? So this is our day head here. Again, we are not running short of any big windows, are we? Now, you want to see your room? Come on. So 2-step down, your central vac is here. We've got to have a wine cooler in the owner's suite. All right. We've got a nice actual walk-in closet, which I absolutely love. Big owner's suite. Great visibility on either side. Center line. I will confess, I do turn off the Seakeeper at night because I like the rocking, but with the center line bed, you have no problem with feeling like there's too much rocking. So if I've got to get work done in the morning or even in the evening, this is a great place to start or end the day. But keeps your couple very, very comfortable and has its own private ensuite as well. So when we're done with this, I want to show you the fridge, but I don't want to forget about the washer dryer combo. So this is a staple in pretty much all of our Candiases and up from 46 feet up. And yeah, let's go see my favorite part, shall we? So while you guys were down enjoying the checking out the quarters down below, I wanted to come up to what is arguably the largest Flybridge in her class. Again, where I'm sitting here is what's giving cover to the cockpit, and I cannot find a larger hardtop in her class or above in a comparable size. It has been a joy to park this next to some other boats and go, wow, that's a tiny hardtop on that. But it's not just about the seating back here. It's not just about the hardtop. It is about the entertaining. This will open up on both sides. All right, I do have cup holders that'll slide in so I can accommodate a bunch of people back here. If we're going to be doing that, we're going to be grilling, right? So we've got a twin grill here. We've got 2 more fridges, and we've got an ice maker. All right, remember I told you there's going to be a quiz at the end of this. All right, so plenty of room to entertain, plenty of room to take care of people. Got to have trash up here because I'm not just pumping it down there. You ever get where you're running a Flybridge and you find yourself all by yourself because everybody else is sitting in the back? Well, Cruisers Yachts thought about that. All right. They've got a dedicated area that's not just a pad that somebody's going to lay out and go, well, that's not comfortable anymore. Proper backrest. That windscreen cuts all of it out, so it makes this comfortable. Cruisers Yachts, I'm convinced, like staying married because they put 2 inductive chargers. They do the same thing with all of the staterooms to make sure that they're accommodating couples. Said a lot about my favorites. This is my favorite spot. I mean, I've got the wind in my hair. I've got twin 950 Volvo IPS at my disposal. I've got joystick docking, and I've got dynamic positioning system as well as dock assist. Why that matters is this is an owner-operator boat, all right? 57 feet. You and a spouse or you by yourself can handle this boat with the training provided by MarineMax. So give me a call at MarineMax Kent Island. My name is Chris Whitman, and this is an incredible 2026 Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly.